Hello everyone. My today's essay is on girls' education. Let's start. Girl education is very important for the empowerment of women. It reduces the infant mortality rate since a learned mother will always take good care of her child. Half of the population is of women, and educating them will help to attain a socio-economic development of a country. Girl education also helps to eradicate the social evil of child marriage. Educating a girl child can also help her to contribute to the country's economic development. An educated girl will be more concerned about hygiene and health. Education gives the authority to a girl child to choose her career and support her family. An educated girl will involve in the political process to be a part of decision making and raise her voice for women's rights. An educated woman will never fall prey to domestic violence and can raise her voice against it. Girl education is very important for the uniform development of a country. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.